Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First of all, why the accuracy 91% accuracy? That is awesome. That is the profit and loss here. I will show you either the indicator work on forex, crypto, indices. Yes, my indicator work on all pairs you can use in forex, crypto, indices. Whatever the pair you want, you can easily use it. Okay. Okay, the single indicator magnet V5 indicator, it's giving you accuracy 91. But wait, if you will use second indicator, you will get 100% accuracy. Okay, first here you can see this is the most recent sell signal in the SPX, so that's why I'm showing you this, but I will show you the results in other pairs as well. And you can see this is the most perfect signal, and you will definitely get awesome profit. Okay, first let's see the results here. Here you can see, here you got the sell signal, here you got the buy signal. So actually this is your loss trade, but I will tell you the strategy, and that is actually not your loss, but according to the scenario you can see that is a loss trade, but I will show you that is not a loss trade. How? First, it is a very simple strategy, and we will discuss this later. And first, we have need to discuss this MT4 indicator, because mostly people demand that please show the results of best MT4 system. So here you can see this is actually a live demo here, and here you can see there are a sell signal, sorry, buy signal. Here you can see the sell signal, buy signal, here buy signal, sell signal, each and everything. Okay, and there is a our bought and our sold scenarios as well, and there is a trend indicator as well. Okay, this green area is your buy trend, and the red area is your sell trend. Okay, so first, how this strategy is working. Let me clear you, there are band lines. Okay, that is actually extra confirmation of the that indicator is just for the extra confirmation, and actually the main indicator is this one. Okay, the band line and the this signal. Okay, when the signal appear, you have need to open the trade. When the candle touch to the upper band line, close your trade. That's it. Here buy trade and close your trade here. That's it. Small profit, yes, I know, but you can see here you got the signal, but candle is almost touching to the lower band line, so that actually not a profitable signal, but it gives you the profit. Here you can see that is a profitable signal, but I will recommend the trades that will give you, like here, when the signal appear on the upper band line, you need to open sell trade. When the signal appear on the lower band line, you need to open your trade or buy trade. Okay, here you got the buy trade, but the candle is like here. Okay, candle is here and you got the buy signal, so actually that will not be profitable signal. Okay, but here you got the sell signal, and that is your profitable trade. Buy signal, you got some good profit. I'm using 5 minutes, I will show you results in other time frame as well. Okay, sell signal, your target is this one, now lower band line, that is the target. Okay, buy trade, close your trade here. Okay, sell trade, close your trade here. Okay, I got the buy trade and waiting for the profit here. You can see clearly live example here, and it will definitely will give you profit. Here you can see no loss trade so far. Here you can see buy trade profitable, buy trade, sorry, sell trade profitable, buy trade profitable, sell trade profitable, buy trade, yes, it's profitable, sell trade, and it's giving you some awesome profit. Buy trade and it's also profitable, and sell trade and it's give you some awesome profit here. Buy trade profitable, sell trade profitable, and buy trade, yes, it's I know that is not a profitable trade according to the scenario, but if you follow my rules, that the rules are very simple. Like when you got the trade, make sure you got the signal on the lower band line. Like here you can go open your trade, like here you sell the trade, and sell trade candle is almost very close to the lower band line, so that is not as so much profitable signal. Okay, profitable signal is like this type, when the candle is touching to the lower band line and you got the signal, then definitely it will give you the profit here. And that is the extra confirmation. If you want, you can use it, but if you will follow my rules, then according to the rules, extra confirmation is not required. Okay, that is enough for you and give you some profit. Okay, let's discuss trading view indicator. Trading view indicator is actually look like this one. Okay, now same scenario, it both strategies are almost same. Here you can see almost same. Okay, but there is some more thing. First we have to have this indicator. Only this indicator is giving you 90%, but we need 100%. Okay, and here we got the most recent sell signal here. Okay, so here first, when you got the trade, you have need to open the trade and close the trade when candle touch to the upper band line, or you got the sell trade. Two condition: open your buy trade, need to close the trade when candle touch to the upper band line. Okay, that's it. If the candle did not touch to the upper band line and you got the sell signal, you need to close your trade here. Close your trade, sell trade, and candle touch to the lower band line, that means close your trade. Open your buy position and it gives you some profit, and that is the most recent sell signal. Okay, so in this way you will get 100% accuracy. And there are some extra indicator. Here you can see this indicator actually giving you RSI. Here you can see this is the RSI ribbon. Okay, there is a band line and the signals are on the based on the band line. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that is a simple scenario. Let's see, if you will use second indicator, you can see if you got the buy signal and it's giving you profit, but you did not get the sell signal so far here, and the second indicator simple over 4.8 indicator give you the buy signal, so this is another buy entry and you will get the profit like there. Okay, here you can see, let's see here, by sell signal, that is a profitable signal here, buy signal. Okay, and that is the profitable here, and so on. Okay, like here sell signal, you can book your profit here, buy signal, and you have need to book the profit here, not there, you have need to close your trade here at this point. Okay, and like sell signal, that is profitable, buy signal, that is also profitable signal, and that signal is awesome, and you can see you got some awesome profit here. Okay, let's see results in gold. In the gold you will get accuracy around, let's see. Okay, in the gold you can see it is not showing you the result unfortunately, but working on all pair fine, but in the gold it will not show you the results. Okay, remember, it will not show you the result, but the indicator work fine. Here you can see indicator is working perfectly fine, but unfortunately that is a bad luck maybe, it is not showing you the results. Okay, that is sell trade. You can see you got some good profit here. Buy trade, open your buy trade, and now you can see you are in some good profit here. That is awesome trade here. Okay, and so on. Okay, here you can see buy trade is give you profit here, sell trade is give you the profit here, and so on. Okay, let's shift the signal in 5-minute time frame. In the 5-minute time frame, let's see. Okay, in the 5-minute time frame, results are awesome. That is awesome. Okay, sell signal, after getting the sell signal you got sell signal, that will definitely will give you the profit, and here you can see. Okay, that is the buy signal, and now you can see you are in some good profit here. Okay, in the euro, in the forex pair you can see indicator working perfectly fine, and let's see the results. Go to the studies tester, and accuracy around 90%. That is awesome. Okay, okay, my indicator work perfectly fine on all pair, either is forex, crypto, indices, whatever you will use, you can use in all pairs. Okay, and let's see the how you can add this indicator in your trading view chart, because these indicators are not available on trading view chart. So how you can get the indicator? If you need my indicator, yes, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Let me show you my contact details here. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and I will show you how you can add this indicator in your trading chart. If you need an indicator, you can contact me. If remember, in Telegram there are some fake Telegram channels, so you have need to be aware. Do not join fake Telegram channel. Write one at the end must. Okay. In the Telegram, write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels. Okay, you have need to be aware, and there are scammers, so you have need to be aware. Okay. Okay, now that it's time to show you how you can add the indicator in your trading view chart. First, go to the magnet v5, control A, copy the code, and then go to the pine editor. Here first remove this indicator, and I have need to show you, remember to place 1 hour. Okay, if you are using 5 minute time frame or 15 minute or lower time frame, then you have need to place 1 hour. Okay, control A, remove all the code first. Okay, then paste my code, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, you have need to go to the setting. Okay, you will get the setting like here you can see 97%, but we are not satisfied, so we have need to change. Actually the setting is also okay, but I have need to change setting. Okay, like I have need to use here 1 hour time frame. Okay, if you are using 5 minute over, okay, is default setting is also good, but I have need to change. So here you can see, and the second indicator setting, yes, I have need to show you. Just remove the indicator, then go to the pine editor, and here you will find font simple 4.8. If you you can get, there is a package and you can get my all indicators. Okay, all indicator are awesome. Okay, first you can go to the pine editor, control A, remove all the code, paste my code, then click on add to chart, and then go to the setting of this indicator. Okay, it's still compiling. Let's see. Still compiling. Okay, if you might need my indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you contact details as well. Again, uncheck influence signal, uncheck RSI 75, then slowly down. Okay, here I have to 75, then swing mode uncheck, and that's simple, and your indicator is ready, and you can see that is the awesome results. Here you can see, okay, that is the most recent trade, and you are in some good profit here. Okay, here you can see that results are awesome, awesome. Okay, you can see indicator work perfectly fine and awesome way. Okay. Okay, if you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember, write one at the end must. This is Gmail, simpleog@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, my indicators work perfectly fine on all market, forex, crypto, indices, future market, binary option, whatever. Okay, and okay, I give you the all details. I think any further query you can ask me. Okay, there is no issue, I will help you a lot. And currently more than 5,000 people are using my indicator, never receive any complaint from any person. Okay, and buy my indicator, enjoy the profit. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care. Any question, any query, okay, you can ask me, there is no worry, and I will try it always to help my audience. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.